Alright, in this video I'm going to show you this tool that is very cool. So if you have a pipe, you know that is all bad in the end or something like that, and you want to fix it, so I'm going to show you how you can do this with this nice tool. So as you can see here, this is the tool that I bought. It says repair pliers, so I don't see any other brand. So it's one of those generic ones that you can buy from from internet, Amazon, eBay, or Temu, someplace like that. So basically you have the different sizes, 1/4, 3/8, half an inch. It depends on the type of pipe that you have. You're going to use the hole that you need. Other than that, I mean, it's very simple. All you have to do is just put the pipe in, and then you start grabbing it like that, and then you start rotating the pipe, and then you keep pushing, and that's it. So now I'm going to grab a piece of a pipe, and I'm going to show you how you can do this. Alright, as you can see here, this is bent, so I'm going to try to make it round again, so that way we can use a sharp bite or anything like that. As you can see, I'm rotating it, so that way I can make it, nice again. And also, now I'm going to squeeze it, and I'm going to show you a little bit closer, so that way you can see this a little bit better. Alright, as you can see, I'm going to squeeze it a little bit. Now I'm going to make it round a little bit again. So now, as you can see, now we are closer. So as you can see, I mean, it works pretty well. I mean, it will be better if the pipe is not damaged, but sometimes if you have to go to a customer and you have a case like this and you want to, fix it easily, that will be the best way. Alright, make sure that you remove all the sharpness, from the end with this tool that I'm showing you right now. That's it. So once it's in good shape, now you can use any connector, shark bite or pro press or whatever you want to use. And that's it. So that is how this tool works. So hopefully this video was useful. If you have any question, please let me know in the section below, and see you next time.